food from the chef plate has just arrived by FedEx. Oh, 7 pounds or so. So I don't have to go through them all. I just want to see what has to be refrigerated. That's cold. Another box. And gee, they got a lot of cardboard, and the meat's still frozen. Chicken tenderloin in the bottom. These look like freezer packs. Yeah, freezer packs. Probably can reuse them again. There's 2 of them. Gee, elaborate box here for all this. So I'll have to go through each package and then put it in the fridge. Now these are probably fridge, and this is freezer. Okay, the 2 packages. One has one meal and the other pack has the other meal. Okay, curried samosa bowl. There. No. There's the samosa spice. And the other one. It's probably going to be about the same packages and stuff. Red pepper. I don't know what that is. There's 2 of them. Coconut milk. Jar of something. From the chef's plate. I'm sure with the COVID-19 pandemic going on, these people are going to be busy with orders. People want to avoid going to the grocery store, and by looking at some of these items here, it's you just don't get them at one shop. You probably have to go to a specialty shop for them. So thanks to Carrie for ordering this, and we're gonna make one of the dishes probably tomorrow and video it, and we'll have it on the end screen when we do. But for now, this is the unboxing of the 2 dishes. The northern Thai chicken with curry noodles is the one, and curried beef samosa bowl is the other one.